The idea of this video is to humanize Maddie B. You know, like I want him to just to be a real person. I don't want him to be over the top, trying to be some pop star, pretentious Hollywood. It's just I'm a kid next door. I'm normal. If I can do it, you can do it type thing. You know?
Standing here on my feet, proud as I can be. I was planted the seed. I'm
How much we shot the pool scene, and we realized that I'm terrible at breaking. So,
all right, man. You excited about today?
yeah, it's really cool. The place is really cool. It has like a bunch of old timey stuff.
All right, very cool.
Hey, Maddie. What's going on, man?
Same thing.
Walking into the bathroom like 80 million times again. Just like the pinball table.
Having fun?
I'm excited for the milkshakes. Real milkshakes.
Sweet.
Sometimes we go somewhere and he has to sacrifice having fun because he's in this and you're leaving and it leaves him kind of like, but what about I'm like a guy, I'm a boy, you're a girl, I like you.
I'm a guy, you know. These are just all to say.
I've gotten all the good things so far. This is like my best friend. I'm at 41,000.
I wrote this thing because it's real. I know this would be this. Like I'm like, Matt, stop playing the game. You're like, no, I don't want to stop, right? It's hard. You have to choose. And that's a difficult thing.
It's the same as anything else. Do you want to win your football championship? Yes. Okay, you got to go to practice. Well, I don't want to go to practice, but I want to play in the game. I want to win the championship. You can't have your cake and eat it too. If you want to be the best, you have to put in hard work. There are no shortcuts in life.
Was it worth the wait?
Yes, most of my
Oh, sweet.
Awesome. Oh! So what do you want to say to your fans that are watching this video?
It's hard giving a lot of hugs in a